Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Play Console with an account that can edit the app. Once signed in, click All Apps and select the specific app you want to update. Make sure you already exported a 512x 512 PNG for the store icon and separate adaptive icon layers, foreground and background, so uploads match Google's requirements. Now navigate to the app's dashboard. Once there, go straight to the Store Presence area to begin replacing the icon files. Next, you navigate to Store Presence and open the main store listing where the icon field's live. Click the Upload button for the store listing icon and select your 512x 512 PNG. Then locate the Adaptive Icon section and upload the foreground and background assets. Make sure to preview each density and check the safe zone so critical content isn't cropped. If the console flags color profile or transparency issues, re-export from your editor and re-upload. Finally, save your listing changes and, if prompted, create or update a release to publish the new icon. You can choose a staged rollout to limit exposure initially. Once published, Play may take a few hours to propagate the new icon across devices. Make sure to monitor the release dashboard and check a few device listings. If you don't see the update, troubleshoot by confirming file format, exact pixel size, and transparency rules. Then re-export and upload again before republishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.